This demonstration we're going to look at performing a planned failover of our virtual machine. So in an earlier demo what I did is I created a replica of lon test 1 and I created that replica on, as we can see here, lon host 2. So here's my replica virtual machine here. So if we just come back to lon host 1, all we're going to do here is just open up console to the virtual machine and we'll just minimize this down, and all we'll do here is we'll just create a new shortcut on the desktop. So, and we'll call this shortcut here, we'll just type in CMD. And what I'll also do as well is I'll just create a new folder, and what we'll do is we'll just call this planned. Right, so we've created some information on the live virtual machine, so we'll just minimize this down again. So and what we'll get is we'll get this virtual machine will replicate across. I set to replicate every 30 seconds. That's the next thing we'll do here. We'll just right click on the virtual machine, and what we'll do now is go for replication and we'll do a planned failover. Now this is going to fail. The reason why it's going to fail, it says here the virtual machine must be turned off for the planned failover. So we need to turn off the virtual machine and then try again. So we'll close this down, we'll just cancel this here, right click on the virtual machine, we'll just go to shut down and we will shut down the virtual machine. Right, so we'll allow this to shut down, and then what we'll do is we'll try to fail over again. Right, virtual machine's now closed down, so we'll right click, go to our replication tab and we'll do our planned failover. Right, so it's going to check the virtual machine's turned off. It's then going to send some data. There's not been replicated to the replica server because planned failover does copy the data. We'll fail over to the replica server and then we'll start the virtual machine. So fail over, and as we can see here, everything's now moving across. Now this is going to take a few seconds, so we'll just pause the video and return back once we've got everything as successful. Right, the little warning box is now cleared off. So if we now look at lon host 2. What we can see here is we've got lon test 1. We'll just connect through to lon test 1. You can see it's starting up. And next thing we'll do here is we'll just log in. And as we can see here, we've got cmd.exe, we've got the planned icon here as well. Server manager starting up. There you go, everything started up successfully. We'll just minimize this down. So as we can see, it is now running and everything is up and running and has replicated successfully. If we right click, replication, we can cancel the planned failover, we can view the replication health, so everything's good, everything's working successfully. 90%, that's when the virtual machine was failing over. I lost about a minute and a half as it was failing over. And if we just have another look here, we can also remove the replication as well. So what I'll do is I will remove the replication. It's saying, are you sure you want to remove the replica from this selected virtual machine? Yes, I will. So we've now killed off the replica. But if we look at lon host 2, virtual machine is still running. And that's the end of this demonstration. Thanks very much.